Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn more about layers. So I will go here in layer property palette and I will open this layer property palette dialog box. From here I will just delete all other layers that I have created and I will create new layers. Okay, this door layers, text layer, wall layer and window layer. Okay, and I can delete from here. This is the option for delete, or I can use this command all plus D. Okay, alt plus D, or I can right click here and this is the delete option here. I will delete from here, and now I will create new layers. Now before creating new layers, you must know about that this zero layer, this is the default layer in AutoCAD. Okay, this will not be deleted. Okay, as I will right click here, I will go into delete layer. I will select this one. Now you can see here this dialog box, the selected layer was not deleted. Why? Here it is giving some options that which layers are not gonna delete. One layer, zero and depth point layer. Okay, this will not delete, and the current layer will also not delete. Okay, and layers containing object. If there is any object here, that layer will also not be deleted, and then dependent layers will also not be deleted. So these are some layers that will not be deleted. Okay, now I will just create new layers. I will go here and I will press backspace here, and I want to just create circle layer. I want to create circles under this layer. Okay, I will just create this one. Now I want to just turn on this layer. Okay, now here are some options that I want to discuss with you. For example, I want to change the color. You can change the color from here. Okay, I want to give this color to this one. Okay, now the next thing is here line type. So by default it is continuous. What? Continuous line type, but you can just change from here. You will go here in load option. Here you can see different types of lines. Okay, you can choose from here. For now I want only continuous. Here I will press OK. Now again line weight, you can also change the line weight as well from here. Okay, thickness of line, for example, if you want to change the thickness of line, you can change from here. I will just select as a default. I will press OK. Now again I will just create one more layer here. I will just click here. I will write here rectangle. Okay, likewise you can create any layer. For example, if you want to just make a walls, you can create wall layer, door layer, and then window layer. Okay, text layer, any of the layer you can create. And my suggestion to you is that you must just work under layers. Okay, each part of the project should in layer. So I want to just create rectangle layer. So I will go here. I want to change the color from here. For example, I need magenta here. I will press OK. Now I can change from here as line type. I will go into the load and I will just change, for example, from here center. Okay, this line, this is the line, and the preview of the line will be like this. Okay, dotted dash 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 dash. I will press OK. Then what I will do, I will select from here center. Okay, for this one I will press OK. Now this is the center line type. Okay, now what I will do, I will just make this layer as a default layer. I will check this one. Okay, this is the default layer. Okay, now I want to just draw a circle here. I will just type C and I will hit enter. Now I will give center point. Now this is the circle under which layer? Circle layer. Okay, now again if I want to just create a rectangle, okay, under rectangle layer, you can change from here as well without making that layer as a default layer. Okay, I will click here this drop down arrow, and you can see here are the layers that we have created. Like I want to just create a rectangle here, so I will select this one. Now this is the rectangle layer. Under this I want to create rectangle, so I will press REC, then I will hit enter, and then I will give first point and the second point. You can see the difference between both of the lines. This is the continuous line and this is what? Center line. Okay, now if you want to make change in the line, you can just go into the property palette. For that I will just enter a command PRO, then I will hit enter. This is the property palette, and here you can change the things. Okay, color, you can make any other color for this layer as well from here. Okay, this is, you can see this is the layer as rectangle layer, and a line type is by layer. Okay, that is a default. Okay, you can change line scale as well from here. You can change line weight as well here. Okay, transparency, thickness, you can change from here. So there are a lot of options you can change from here in property palettes. Okay, Now I will just go into the layer property palettes and I will just see some more options regarding layer. For example, first one is off. As I told you before that if you want to off this layer, for example, I just want to off the circle layer. Okay, I will just click on this bulb. This is turned into gray. Okay, and now circle layer is going to half. Okay, now again if I want to on this layer, I will go into the property palette. I will on from here. Now there is another option, that is freeze. Freeze and on off option is just like same. If you will see, I will just freeze this one. Now this object is going to hide. Okay, but the difference here is that if your drawing is very large and if you want to make a space in drawing, you can freeze that object. Okay, and that will increase your space. Okay, now again I will go into the property palette and I will unfreeze this one from here. And if you want to lock the layer, you can lock from here. For example, I want to lock this one. I will lock from here. I will click this one and I will go again into the object that I have locked. Okay, so this is locked. You can see here when I just move my crosshair around this object, the lock option is come in front of me. Okay, now when I want to delete this one, for example, I want to delete this one, I will select this one, I will press E, I will hit enter. Now this object is not gonna delete. Okay, so if you want to lock the object and after locking, that object will be not deleted. Again I will go into the property palette. As I told you before, how we can just change the color from here. You can change the color from here. Line type, I will already discuss about this one. Line weight. From here, this is another option, what plot. Okay, if you do not want to print that object, for example, I will off this one. Now if you will make a print of this drawing, for example, okay, print of this drawing, this object will not be printed. Okay, because you just turn off a option from here. So that are some options that are very important in layer property palettes. Okay, I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.